Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
This overview explains the only reliable method to reset oil life on an Infiniti QX60 using the vehicle display. Start with the ignition turned to on but the engine OFF. This powers the dash without starting the motor. Use the steering wheel buttons or center cluster controls to access settings, then the maintenance submenu. Locate oil and filter, or oil life, and choose Reset. Confirm the reset by pressing and holding the OK or Enter button for about 2 seconds. Finally, cycle the ignition OFF and then on to store the 100% oil life reading. Follow these exact steps to reset the oil life indicator on an Infiniti QX60. First, turn the ignition key or push button to on while keeping the engine OFF so the instrument cluster is active. Use the steering wheel arrow keys or center dial to open settings, then choose Maintenance. Select Oil and Filter or Oil Life, highlight Reset, and press and hold the OK/Enter button for about 2 seconds until the display confirms. Cycle the ignition OFF and then on once, and check the dash shows 100% oil life. After performing the reset, verify success by confirming the instrument cluster reads 100% oil life. Cycle the ignition OFF and on once to ensure the value is stored. If the indicator did not reset, repeat the procedure exactly, making sure the engine stays OFF while the ignition is on and you press and hold OK for about 2 seconds. If the oil life still won't clear, the vehicle may require a dealer scan or an OBD-ROMAN2 service tool to clear stored maintenance codes or update the body control module settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.